Jai Hind and good evening, everyone. Today I am going to teach you First Flight, Class 10th, Chapter number 5, The 100 Dresses. First, written by L. Bashar Esther. Today I am going to discuss the summary of the chapter The 100 Dresses. Here are some of the main characters: Wanda, Petronsky, Peggy, Maddie, Miss Mason. First, I would like to tell the chapter sketch for you all. The 100 Dresses is a story based on the true experiences of the author L. Bashar Esther about a girl who is teased by her classmates because she belonged to a poor family. The girl Wanda Petrovsky becomes the butt of her friend jokes because her funny polished name. She is always quit and wears the some faded blue dress to school every day. She always boasts of having 100 dresses of same color at home. The story is also about the realization which people from mainstream society are forced to make about other different people with similar potential and emotion. Okay, let's start the summary of the chapter The 100 Dresses first. It was Monday. Wanda was absent, but nobody noticed. In the class, she did not have too many friends in the class because she was very shy and quiet girl. She always preferred to sit in the corner of the class. She came from Boggins Heights, where poor people lived. Her parents were Polish who left Poland to settle down in America. Wanda's classmates thought of her only when they came out of the class and waited to tease her, but she was absent. Wanda did not come to school on Tuesday as well. Peggy and Maddie were close friends. Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was pretty and intelligent. Maddie, her friends, was a poor girl. They always teased Wanda. They stayed after the school to mock Wanda, but they noticed that she was absent. After being teased by other girl, Wanda lied of having 100 dresses and 60 pair of shoes in her closet. This lies become a game for other, and everybody in the class wanted her to describe her dresses for them every day. Peggy and Maddie derived pleasure in her discomfort. Peggy, the most popular girl of the school, was very pretty. She always teased Wanda, but she was not cruel. She never behaved cruelly with anyone, not even with animals. If somebody asked her, she always said that Wanda was not an ordinary person but wanted her to describe the 100 dresses. Maddie, a poor girl, was very close friend of Peggy. She felt bad for Wanda as everybody teased her. She wore different dresses given by rich family. She feared that one day all the girls would be fed up of Wanda and she would become their next target. One day, Maddie decided to write a note to Peggy asking her not to tease Wanda anymore. Later, she tore it up, thinking that she might be angry with her and would tease her. She thought about Wanda's discomfort. She thought about how Wanda had described her blue and green velvet dress with each little details, and her thoughts got diverted to upcoming drawing contest. Next day, it was drizzling, raining lightly. Peggy and Maddie did not want to be late, so they did not wait for Wanda to tease her. There was drawing competition for everyone in the class. Boys had to draw a motorboat and girls a dress. Everybody thought of Peggy to win. She drew really well every time. Everybody drew beautifully in the class in bright colors. The class assembled and the class teacher, Miss Mason, announced the winner of the drawing contest. Jack Bagels was the winner among the boys, and Wanda Petrosky was the winner in girls. Everybody special, the judges were immensely impressed by her drawing, and each of her drawing was capable of winning the contest individually. But Wanda was absent that day. Miss Mason showed her drawing to all the students. Everybody in the class clapped for Wanda in joy. They found that all the dresses she used to describe were there: the green velvet one, the blue one, and the red one also. The boys whistled with finger in their mouth. Peggy said that she had thought she could draw the same like Wanda. It was the story about first part. Let continue in next class with you all. So I hope you all have understood the summary of the chapter, the 100 dresses first. So thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.